First, you need a piece of card, some string, 2 cardboard tubes, split pins, 5 of these, a pair of scissors, 2 lollipop sticks, a marker pen, 2 plastic bottle top lids, 2 small buttons or 2 plastic eyes, some Scotch tape and a large pin or needle. Let's make a marionette. Take 1 cardboard tube and cut it in half, like this. Cut a small hole into one end of it and push a split pin through it. With the larger cardboard tube, cut 2 holes in each end and push 2 split pins through the holes. Like this. Next, cut 3 lengths of string 30 centimeters long. With the small cardboard tube and 1 string, tie a loop in one end and attach it to the split pin. This piece is called the head string. With the larger cardboard tube, cut 2 more holes in the middle part of the tube, like this. Push through a split pin in each hole. With another piece of string, tie a loop and attach it to the far end split pin. With the same string, tie another loop and attach it to the other split pin on the end. This is called the body string. With the third piece of string, cut this in half. These are the leg strings. Now, pierce a hole through the middle of each plastic bottle top lid. Thread the string through these holes and secure it with a knot. Now, the legs are attached to the body. Tie a loop and secure it to the body, like this. Cut another piece of string 50 centimeters long. This is called the main string. Tie one end of the main string to one leg string. And the other end of the main string to the other leg string. With a piece of card, draw 2 triangles and cut them out. Now attach one triangle to the top of the tube with Scotch tape. And the other triangle to the bottom of the tube with Scotch tape. Now, attach the eyes or the button to the small tube on either side. Like this. Cut a small piece of string and attach one end to the inside of the small cardboard tube with Scotch tape and the other end to the inside of the large cardboard tube with Scotch tape. This is now the neck string. Attach the lollipop sticks with Scotch tape to make the shape of a cross. There are 4 ends. There is end 1, end 2, end 3 and end 4. Attach the body string to end 1 with Scotch tape. Attach the head string to end 2. Now, cut the main string in half and attach one to end 3 and the other to end 4 of your lollipop stick cross. And now you have your marionette. You can decorate your marionette with colours or feathers, with anything you like. Well done!
Visit squala.educoitalia.it for more resources. Don't forget to like and subscribe.